Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is logical functioning using the if function, that is using if or using if and or using if or. Logical functioning is used to take action based on certain conditions. In the given table, we have employee name, department and salary. We have to calculate the bonus. Our criteria is that a bonus of 15% is paid to only those employees with salary less than 10,000. We are going to calculate it with if function. In the bonus column, type equal to if and open bracket. Then we shall click in the salary column. Then we shall type the condition as less than 10,000. If this condition is satisfied, then the salary has to be multiplied by 15%, which we shall type by giving a comma. Then click on the salary column and then type into 15% and then a comma again. We shall now type double quotes twice with a space in between to give a blank if the condition is false and close the bracket. If we are giving 0 instead of space, a 0 will come if the condition is false. Now we shall press enter. Since the salary is 8,000, that employee gets a bonus. Now we shall change it to 11,000 and we can see a blank in the bonus column. Changing it to 9,000 will give its bonus. Now we shall drag it down and we'll get the bonus of the whole column. In the first one, we had only one condition. Here, we shall try with two conditions. 5% bonus is given to employees of the IT department with a salary less than 10,000. Let us first do the conditions. In the bonus column, type equal to and open bracket. Click in the department column and type equal to and IT department within double quotes and comma. Click on the salary column and type less than 10,000 and close bracket. Now we can enter it and drag it down. We can see that it is showing true wherever both the conditions are satisfied. We have put the conditions. Now we shall give what actions to take if these conditions are satisfied. So we shall type if and an open bracket soon after equal to. Then towards the end, after the closed bracket, we shall type comma and click on the salary column. We shall then type into 5% comma and space within two double quotes and close the bracket. Then we shall press enter and drag it down. We can see that there are values only in two cells where both the conditions are. Next, we shall put this condition or that. We shall do this using or. Condition is that only the employees of finance or marketing department will get a bonus of 5%. In the bonus column, type equal to or and then open bracket. Then we shall click on the department column and type equal to and then marketing within two double quotes. We shall type comma and repeat the same with finance and close the bracket. We shall press enter and drag down. If any of the conditions are satisfied, then we will get true. Now we can give what to do based on the conditions using the if function. As we had done earlier. After equal to, we shall type if and open bracket. At the end, we shall type comma and click on the salary cell and type into 5%. Then we shall type comma and put a space between two double quotes and close the bracket. Now we shall press enter and drag down, which will give us the results. This method needs a lot of practice as it is used almost all the time. Understanding this will help you to work out different conditions easily. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.